ऐसी वीडियो लेके आया है जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक बच्चा जो एक चीज़ हेट कर रहा था 4 years बैक, आज वही चीज़ वो डेली प्रीफर करता है। सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइकिलिंग पार्ट। साइकिलिंग वॉज वेरी नीडफुल फॉर द किड्स, जस्ट लाइक एवरी पेरेंट। मुझे भी लगता था कि माई किड नीड टू लर्न द साइकिलिंग एंड मैं उसको देख पाऊँ कि वो हाउ ही इज़ एबल टू ride the cycle, because I used to ride the cycle in my childhood when I bought the first cycle to Parth when he was around 3.5 years in 2021. He used to hate the cycling because being a ADHD child, he used to run a lot. He doesn't want to sit at one place. So because of all those factors, cycling was the part which were missing at that time. बट इस वीडियो में आप देख सकते हो कि कैसे एक जो बच्चा साइकिलिंग को हेट करता था, अब वही बच्चा एक बड़ी साइकिल चला पा रहा है और ही इज़ हैप्पीली राइडिंग द साइकिल। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ यू ऑल। सी दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी फ्रॉम नो साइकिलिंग to love cycling. So please watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel, share it with all the parents and stay connected with Pathway channel. Thank you so much parents.
So we have bought this cycle for Path in year 2021 and 21 में वो just साइकिल पे बैठने को ट्राई कर रहा था, बट जैसे ही उसको हम लोग राइड करने के लिए बोलते थे ही यूज्ड टू क्राई अ लॉट and being ADHD kid, he doesn't want to sit at one place. So last year in 2025 we have put Path in Spectrum Academy for preschool preparation program. Spectrum team have started working on Path cycling. उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया पैडलिंग से. So first pedaling was the first thing that kid need to understand how to do the pedaling first, and for that they have put both the back tires on the higher side so that cycle won't move ahead. So pedaling में even when Path have struggle, so starting में जब भी cycling आपको kids को सिखानी है, so pedaling is the first thing that kid need to understand and they should start working on the pedaling. तो जैसे उसकी pedaling complete हुई, उन्होंने ग्राउंड लेवल पे चालू की एक्टिविटी है. And since it's a new activity for Path, he had started enjoying that also. So जब भी साइकिलिंग आप किसी को सिखाते हो, बच्चों को सिखाते हो, so start with the pedaling first and then take it on the ground. और स्टार्टिंग में यस आपको उसको सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा और आपको उसके पीछे भी रहना पड़ेगा. So you need kids need that push from our side, from the parents. You can see Path now started enjoying that cycling part, and it's all because of the Spectrum team. Spectrum team have worked on him very well. So Path was started enjoying the cycling and वो continuous cycle चला पा रहा था. This is how I have taken him to the cycling in the society. And initially थोड़ा slow चला रहा था just to maintain that balance. और जैसे Path स्टार्टेड एन्जॉइंग द साइकिलिंग, मैंने वो साइड के 2 टायर्स भी थोड़े लिफ्ट किए थे अपर साइड पे, सो दैट Path कैन स्टार्ट बैलेंसिंग द साइकिल ऑन द 2 टायर्स. इन बिगिनिंग आई वॉज बिहाइंड हिम कंटिन्यूसली. जहाँ पे उसका बैलेंस जा रहा था आई वॉज सपोर्टिंग हिम, थोड़ा पुश भी कर रहा हूँ सो दैट ही कैन हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंट, he can build his confidence in him, and gradually he has started balancing the cycle as you can see in the video. So gradually once the kid is comfortable with the cycling, you always can move little bit behind and let them ride the cycle on their own. So here are the results of practicing daily. He was comfortably riding the cycle on 2 tires. maintaining his balance. So cycling is perfect activity for the proprioception, balancing, and every kid need to learn cycling. This is a small cycle for Path, hence we have planned to get a new cycle which is little bit bigger, and we have bought a new cycle for Path. Initially for balancing, I was there to support him because his leg was not reaching the ground, and he was bit confident. You can see his confidence now. He is comfortably riding the cycle with the great speed, and yes, I was there with him, but I was little bit behind. And in this video, in this shot, you can see I'm very much behind. I'm just observing him from far, and he's absolutely comfortable riding the cycle. This is how Path has reached to this stage that he is able to ride the bigger cycles now. So thank you so much, parents, for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate your patience. And yes, please follow the Pathway channel, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.